Hey, yo, Marvin's. You go to the KFC? No, Dougie, we are not going to go to KFC. But Marvin, I really want the KFC, folk. Folk. No, Dougie, we ain't going to go to KFC. Marvin, please, I'm begging it. Please, I want to go to the KFC. No, Dougie. Yeah, you're just gonna hang on. We don't know what any bad thing you're gonna do. I'll go to the KFC. You alright? If you don't want to come. Thank God he's gone. Hey, Daddy, can I go out of my car with my friends? Where are you gonna go? Oh, we're just gonna go to the mall to get new stuff for Junior. His new Thomas collection. Jeffy, the mall does not have Toys R Us anymore. Plus, Toys R Us went out of business except for the one in the SML because they opened up a store in Macy's for some reason. Marvin, just let him try. Plus, he can drive all the way to Canada. No, we are not. I don't trust him driving out of the country. He is not going all the way driving to Canada just to get to Toys R Us. So no, Jeffy, you are not going. Why? Why? Yes, respect the Black History Month. Now hold on, Joseph. Alright, there you go. Hold on. Alright, Jeffy. Look, you are not going to Toys R Us. Oh, we weren't going to Toys R Us. We were actually going to Target. Jeffy, there is no Target in the mall. Yeah, there is in the outdoor mall. That is not an outdoor mall. That is a plaza. So, no, malls are outside and plazas are on the inside. No, actually, he's right. Malls are actually on the inside and plazas are on the outside. Shut up, Cody. We don't need how about all of this. Is no that is true. But there are some outdoor malls. Alright, you know what? I don't have time. Just go and do whatever you need to do. Alright. Hey, come on, guys. Oh. Oh man, I hope nothing bad happens to them. Well, something bad happened. What, the cops? Well, yeah, this dinosaur caused the crash here. What? I did do nothing wrong, folk. Why are you blaming me? Hey, quiet, you. Well, what's going on? Yeah, this dinosaur got on one of these four kids to crash. Wait, crash? Yeah, and viewers, that's actually true. Ooh, our creator's dad's car actually crashed. That was actually Jeffy's car. So yeah, you really have to break the fourth wall on that. What? I'm just letting the viewers know, how. But yeah, they got into the crash, and I don't even know if we can repair it. Well, we can repair. The red car seems to be an easy repair, but your son's car, I don't know. We can repair that. Listen. That's the red car's my car. Or yeah. And Dougie, you do not go ask your car without permission. Hmm. But Marvin's, I did do nothing wrong, folk. The car was out of control. Oh, oh yeah, you could. I'll let to the Hutch. Hutch. Wait, they're all going to court? Oh yeah, I think one of the passengers is suing them for what they did. It, it. But I did do nothing wrong. All right, come on, we're all going to court. Come on. Order. I am Judge Pooby. Today we will be hearing the case of ya boy Duggie versus Jeffy. Jeffy is suing Duggie for having his car crashed. So now, Jeffy, would you like to go first? Cody, I think you go Bruce. What me? You're the one who planned to sue? Ooh, yeah, Cody. Don't let Joseph do it because it's his month. It's February. Fine. Alright, so here's the story. Apparently, we were just going to Target, and when we almost got home, out of nowhere, we got into a crash, and then police spotted us, so, oh yeah. And what we're doing is, we're gonna sue all the profits for what he has done. Really process, we're here, huh? Alright, so, Duggie, how do you defend these accusations? Before he talks, how much you like this is defend, not offend. Don't correct me, just tell on the story. Alright, folk, so here's the story. So I was driving back home, got some KFC, and out of nowhere, my cousin Poogie crashed into my car, and then he just, I just crashed into a kid's car. So that's basically your fault. And my cousin Poogie's fault because he was the one who crashed out his car. Is that really the truth? Jeffy, please explain. He didn't really do all of this. He just has crashed it, and he's trying to make an excuse to who do all of this. Oh wow, I'm a person. Joseph, you were part of this too. Just shut up, Cody. You know what, Joseph? I think you should just go home. Yeah, I'm going back home. I am not taking this hard. I am not seeing a black guy get arrested. Yeah, you should not. Enough of. Alright, so, yeah, boy, Duggie, since everything they told were, actually, yeah, I have an idea. Wait, hold on. I have this video tape right here. I have the videotape of him crashing into Jeffy's car. In that case, we should see the evidence. Gladly. Alright, here is the evidence. Well, it looks so real. I can see that crash thing. Well, I have no choice but to roll in for Jeffy. Duggie, as for you, you must get Jeffy a new car, and that's in order. Now here's the money to get a new car, but you will go after your release from jail. What? I goes to jail? I did nothing wrong. I agree. Police not really a name. Hey, stop. Hey, it's Black History Month. Respect the people. Take Brooklyn guy. Take this dinosaur to jail. Oh no! Oh wow! Oh, disrespecting? It's February. Respect the Black History. Oh, all right, you're coming. You're going to be in jail for a long time. Hey, put me down right now. All right, this is your cell. Oh, and you will be released like a year to get the car. Once released from jail, you must get at Jeffy a new car. You got that? Yes, the policeman. I understand. Good. And the bail It's $100, by the way. Hey. We won! On Marvin, we won! Really, you won? Yeah. Yeah. That's great. Hey. Yeah, although we do have to repair your our car was a would be. Oh, I'm getting a call. Hello? Hey, mate. I just got finished getting more Ruben's car done. Alright, perfect. Like, I'll let him know right now. Although, too bad for your son, we won't be able to fix his car, so not gonna come back. That's alright, because we got the car. One of your cars back. Like, alright, hey, I'll let Marvin know to pick it up. Alright, thanks, mate. Alright, Marvin, we're gonna go pick up your car, and then we're gonna you can resume your normal life. Alright, eat. Oh yeah, and if you want to bail out, he 100. It's $100. What? I don't have that much honey. I can't ask from good. Man, he doesn't even have that much money. Yeah, that is true. He is mean. What? Well, come on. What are you waiting for? Let's get into your car. All right. Oh, yeah. Hey. All right. And yes, it's okay. It's going, but anyway, I just wanted to let you know that this was a tribute to the pilot, and we're not getting it back, but we will make a small parody of about Chubby and his new car in the nearby future. We just don't know when it's gonna come out, but really, it's sometime during the nearby future if we ever get a new car. But anyway, hope you guys enjoy. Give a thumbs up, and we'll tell you when we're gonna get a new car in the nearby future. So, bye.